Welcome back to Midday Kentucky, everyone. Well, I have the pleasure of coming over to Wells Plastic Surgery and Skincare to interview Dr. Wells, and we're talking today all about the lip lift, more commonly known as lip enhancement. Now, it's all performed in their new in-house surgery theatre room. Welcome to the show, Dr. Wells.
It's great to be here, Troy.
One of the surgeries that everyone is talking about that you are now specialising in here at the in-studio operating theatre room is the lip lift. Now, the conversation is about lip enhancement. What is it and what can people expect?
The lip lift is a procedure that we do to rejuvenate the upper lip. And as we get older, the distance between the nose and the upper lip becomes longer, and this procedure shortens that distance, and also it everts the upper lip a little bit to give you more show of the vermilion. It's great for people who have gotten older and their lip is longer, and it also is for younger people who want to have a little more show of their upper lip and a little more pout of the upper lip.
Dr. Wells, how is the actual operation performed?
We do this here in our surgical suite under local anesthesia. We give our patients some oral sedation to make them comfortable. And then under local, we remove the skin from the base of the nose. It's a very small amount, and close it up. And it takes about 45 minutes to do the surgery. We have our patients stay after the surgery to make sure they're not having any problems. And then they go home, and then we'll see them the next day to check to make sure everything is okay.
Dr. Wells, tell me, who is the perfect candidate when it comes to having a lip lift?
Well, certainly someone who has aged and has a long upper lip would be a great candidate for this procedure. But some of the younger patients who have thin upper lips, this will give them a little bit fuller upper lip, and in conjunction with some filler, they can have a very nice full upper lip.
Now, I know you said who is the perfect candidate. Talk to me. Can guys have it as well as women?
Yes, both men and women do have this surgery. Men certainly age just like women do, and as they get older, their lips become longer and their upper lip becomes thinner. And we can change that by shortening the distance between the nose and the upper lip and make them look more youthful, whether they're men or women. With men, you make the incision right along the base of the nose, so you're taking out some of that hair-bearing skin of the upper lip. But you really aren't changing the appearance of the nose when you do that.
Okay, so here's what everyone wants to know when it comes to not only the cost, but what is the downtime?
The procedure costs $2,500 done in our surgery suite. The recovery is fairly quick. You have the surgery, we see you in the office the next day. The sutures come out in 5 days, and in a week you can put makeup over the incisions to disguise them. Now, you're going to be a little sore and tender probably for 2 to 3 weeks, but it really shouldn't interfere with most of your normal daily activities. And for men, shaving may become an issue. You might want to grow a mustache for about 2 or 3 weeks, but it is certainly no longer in terms of recovery time. When we do our consultations, one of the big questions is always scarring. And the original procedure placed the scar right across the base of the nose. The way we do the surgery today, we curve that incision into the nasal vestibule or into the nose, so the scar is not as visible as it was with the older procedure.
Well, thank you, Dr. Wells. We really appreciate you answering all our questions today.
It's great to be here. Thank you.
If you want to find out more information about Dr. Wells Plastic Surgery and Skincare, all the information is up on the screen. We'll be back after this short break.